Hi friends, happy Thursday! So today friends, I would like to review our sunflower that we did a week ago. I would like for us to look at the parts one more time and then I'm going to show you something special that I'm going to do. Here is our sunflower picture from our last YouTube video. So we are going to look at the different parts again. Here we have our seeds that are all the way up here, but we know in order to plant our sunflower, our seeds go into the soil. Next, we have the roots. Once you plant the seeds start to sprout. And then we notice that little things start to come up on the plant. And there's something special that's happening on the bottom. The roots start to come up as well. But we don't see them. They're all the way in the bottom. But the plant, the sunflower seed, starts to sprout up. So there's two special things that's happening. The roots are coming out, which are coming in the bottom of the soil. And then the stem, it's starting to sprout up. And next we have our stem right here. Then we have our leaf. And finally we have our flower. So those are the parts of the sunflower, friends. Now, I would like to show you something special that I'm going to do. And if you think you have this special ingredient at home, you can try it as well. But if you don't have it, friends, that's okay. We can try to do different things. Did my computer go off? Oh, sorry friends, I thought my computer went off because the screen went blank. I couldn't see myself. Okay friends, now, I'm going to pull my computer all the way down the screen so you can see my special activity. So here I have water, soil, I have my sunflower seeds that we're going to plant today. Here is my pot that I'm going to put the soil and my sunflower seeds in here. And I have a special measuring cup that I'm going to use to pour my soil into here. I don't have the planting materials that I need to scoop it out from here, so I'm going to use my measuring cup. You can use a spoon, you can even use your hand if you would like, so that's no problem. If you don't have planting ingredients, that's okay. So the first step in planting our sunflower seeds, friends, is transferring our soil from this container into our pot. So I'm going to start making my scoops. Would you like to count with me? So we did 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop, 4 scoop, 5 scoop, 6 scoop, and 7 scoop. So I'm going to stop there, friends, because I noticed that my pot is filled all the way to the top with soil. So now that is telling me that it's time to put my seed, the sunflower seeds, in here. I'm going to give you a closer look so you can see what it looks like. Here's a closer look. So you want to fill your pot up all the way to the top. And if you feel like there's extra soil, you can still add it in there if it's not too filled. But our job is to make sure that we have enough soil in our pot to help our seed grow. So our next step will be to use your finger or a spoon or any other type of material to put a little hole to make a little space inside of the pot. So I'm going to use both of my hands, friends, to separate the soil so I have a little space in the center of the pot. So it will look something like this, and in here is where I'm going to put the seeds. So if you have a scissors, friends, you can use it to cut the package the way that we do it in the bread room. Unfortunately, Miss Oma did not have a scissors on hand, so I'm going to try to open the package very carefully on the top. Oh, okay, it's very easy to open. There we go. Okay, friends, next step is I'm going to pour some out. And I'm going to choose just a few sunflower seeds. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to do 5 sunflower seeds in my pot. The reason for choosing 5 sunflower seeds is because sometimes some of the sunflower seeds do not germinate, so maybe there's a chance that 1 out of the 5 sunflower can germinate, so there's extra seeds in here. Next, our job is to drop the seeds inside of the soil, and then we're going to cover them up. So I'm going to put my dirt over the seeds and make sure it's nice and covered. I notice there's some things in here, friends, so I'm going to take it out. So it will look like this. I'm actually going to add the rest of my soil, friends, into the pot. It's just a little bit that's left, so I'm going to finish using it. Put all of that in there. Okay, friends, so we did the following steps. We got the soil. We added into the pot. We added our seeds. Do you know what's the next step? There's something that's missing. Do you spy with your eyes what material is missing? There's something that I'm missing. There's a step that I'm missing. Can you tell me what step I'm missing? I know that I have my soil and I have my seeds, but there's a third step that I am missing. Can you tell me? Can you tell me which step I am missing? Did you say water? You are so correct. I am missing water. Thank you, friends. And here's my water. Okay. We're going to pour some water in here. So the idea, friends, is to keep the soil very moist. Sunflower seeds, when you're planting them, the soil have to be very moist. So I think that's it for now. I'm not going to add any more water. But what I'm going to do now, each day I'm going to observe my plant and make sure that the soil is nice and moist. But if it's not moist and it looks dry, if it looks dry like this, friends, That's not good. We want to make sure that the whole plant, well, I'm sorry, friends, we want to make sure that the soil is nice and moist. We want to make sure that the entire soil in the pot is nice and moist like this. This is where the water is, but I noticed that on the other parts it's not really moist. So I'm going to add some more water in there. I'm going to make a circular motion. There we go. Now it's looking a little better. Okay, friends, now that we finished that step, our next steps to do is to take care of our plant, and you can put your sunflower seeds by a window so it can get sunlight. Or if you don't have access to sunflower seeds and you have plants at home, you can also take care of your plants at home by looking at them, by checking the soil, by giving them water, and maybe you can put them by the sunlight so they can also get some extra energy, because plants need energy. We need water, we need soil, and we need sunlight. So if you are unable to plant your own sunflower seeds, you can plant any other different type of plants. You can even plant vegetables if you have seeds at home. But if you do not have those things at home, friends, and you have plants at home, you can help mom and dad to take care of your plants at home, like we do in the birch room. I know we have a work in the birch room where you take care of the plants by cleaning it with a cotton ball, and then we water the plants in the birch room and in the garden. So you can do the same thing at home if you have plants. And if you plant your own sunflower seeds or any other seeds, you can take care of your plants at home. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye!